When I tell you that success can be yours, I speak not from theory alone, but from experience, from observation, and from the undeniable power of the human spirit. You may wonder, what is it that separates one man from another? Why does one rise while another falls? The difference is invisible, yet more powerful than gold, more commanding than armies, and more lasting than stone. It is the talisman you carry in your mind. On one side is PMA, positive mental attitude. On the other side, NMA, negative mental attitude. The choice of which side you display will shape your destiny. Pause for a moment and think about it. Do you realize that you are carrying this talisman with you right now? Every decision you make, every word you speak, every dream you pursue, it all depends on whether you turn it to the positive or the negative. This is not philosophy, it is law. And the law works for you or against you depending upon the side you choose. But perhaps you are asking, how can attitude alone make a difference when life has dealt me a cruel hand? That is a fair question, and I will not leave it unanswered. I want you to listen closely, because the answer may ignite a fire within you. Consider the story of Tom Dempsey. He was born without half a right foot, and with only a stub for a right arm. To many, this would have been a sentence of despair. But Tom carried with him the talisman of PMA. He wanted to play football, though others might have laughed at the idea. His parents had a wooden foot made for him, encased in a stubby shoe, and with that wooden foot, Tom practiced day after day, hour after hour, until his kick soared further and further. Imagine him there, on the field, striking again and again, while others might have surrendered. And then came the moment when he kicked a 63-yard field goal, the longest in professional history, to win a game for the New Orleans Saints. Do you feel the power of that? A man with half a foot accomplished what no man with two perfect feet had ever done before. That is not luck. That is PMA in action. That is proof that no matter what handicap you face, the mind can rise above the body. Now ask yourself, what might you accomplish if you, too, turned your talisman to the PMA side? How many of your supposed limitations would vanish if you dared to believe in your own power? Remember this. Tom Dempsey's foot was crippled, but his spirit was whole. And it is the wholeness of spirit that makes miracles. But perhaps you are thinking, that is Tom's story. What does it mean for me? It means everything. If you are willing to recognize the principles behind it, you must learn to recognize, to relate, to assimilate, and to apply. Success is not about hearing a story. It is about making it your own. If you can see the principle within, if you can say, this too belongs to me, then you have discovered the key. And what is that principle? That attitude is stronger than circumstance, that the mind governs the body, that persistence in the face of defeat becomes power in the hour of triumph. These are not theories, my friend. These are universal laws. Do you doubt me? Then let me give you another example. Consider Henry J. Kaiser, whose name is written in industries that span the globe. His companies, his vision, his daring, all are worth more than $1 billion. And yet his wealth was not the beginning of his greatness. His greatness was born in childhood, when his mother gave him two priceless treasures, the love of work and the love of people. She said to him, "Henry, nothing is ever accomplished without work. If I leave you nothing but the will to work, I will have left you the priceless gift, the joy of work." And she taught him that serving others is the highest value in life. Think of this, a mother instilling in her son not riches but values, not shortcuts but service, and from those seeds grew an empire. Now here is your hook. If a mother's words can shape the destiny of an empire, what words are you allowing to shape yours? Who are you listening to? Are you feeding your mind with thoughts of strength or with whispers of weakness? Henry Kaiser knew the power of PMA, and he used it to do what others declared impossible. During the war, he declared that he could build a Liberty ship in 10 days. Experts laughed. They said it could not be done. But Kaiser believed. He turned his talisman to the PMA side and proved the impossible possible. Do you see the lesson? The world is full of people who will tell you what cannot be done. But success comes to those who believe it can. Now let us pause again, for there is another story to be told. This one is about NMA, the destructive side of the talisman. Picture a woodcutter who supplied firewood for years. He knew the logs must be no larger than 7 inches. Yet one day he delivered logs too thick. When the homeowner asked him to replace or split them, the woodcutter replied, "I can't. It would cost more than the whole load is worth." That was NMA speaking. But when the homeowner split the logs himself, he discovered inside one of them a hidden roll of tinfoil containing 2,250 in old bills. Life had given the woodcutter a golden break, yet his NMA blinded him. He missed the blessing that could have been his. Do you see the truth? Good breaks come to all of us, but only the man with PMA can seize them. The man with NMA will repel even fortune itself. So now I ask you directly, which side of your talisman are you showing to the world? Is it PMA, attracting opportunity, strength and wealth? Or is it NMA, pushing away blessings, repelling fortune and inviting despair? This is no idle question. Your answer is your future. And if you still wonder, let me give you yet another proof. Consider Al Allen, a salesman with a burning desire to rise. One freezing day in Wisconsin, he trudged through sleet and snow, calling on every shop, every door, and not a single sale was made. Many men would have quit, but Al remembered an editorial he had read. Develop inspirational dissatisfaction. Instead of surrendering, he let dissatisfaction inspire him. He declared to his fellow salesmen, "Tomorrow I will go back and sell more than all of you combined." And he did. 66 new contracts in a single day. Do you grasp the lesson? What seemed a failure became the springboard to greatness. What looked like a curse became a blessing. That is the magic of PMA. It can turn a defeat into a triumph, a loss into a victory, a problem into a possibility. Now here is the question you must face. When life knocks you down, will you stay down or will you rise up with PMA burning in your heart? The answer will decide your destiny. And before this part closes, I want you to reflect on one last name, Henry Ford. When he dreamed of casting an 8-cylinder engine in a single block, his engineers told him it was impossible. They argued, they reasoned, they insisted. But Ford said, "Produce it anyway." They failed for 6 months. They failed for another 6. Still Ford said, "Keep working. I want it, and I will have it." And in time, they succeeded. The Ford V8 became one of the most powerful engines in the world, propelling Ford far ahead of his competition. Now listen closely, for this is the secret. Ford's success was not luck, not genius, not magic. It was PMA. It was the refusal to accept impossibility. And that same power is waiting in you, if only you will claim it. So I ask you now, what dream have you abandoned because others told you it was impossible? What goal lies buried because you listened to the voice of NMA? Revive it. Breathe into it. Turn your talisman to the PMA side, and you will discover that the improbable is not impossible. Because success is not reserved for the chosen few. It is reserved for those who choose. And your choice begins today. Think for a moment of Henry Ford, the man who defied the wisdom of every engineer around him. They told him his dream was impossible, that an 8-cylinder engine in one block could never be built. Yet he smiled and answered with a command that has echoed through history. Produce it and don't stop until you do. A year passed. His engineers failed again and again, but Ford refused to bend. Then at last, the so-called impossible stood before them, gleaming in steel and power, and the world never looked the same again. That, my friend, is not chance. That is the discipline of positive mental attitude in its purest form. But let me warn you, if you think that this power belongs only to great inventors, wealthy men, or lucky individuals, you are gravely mistaken. This power is within you. It is within every man and woman who dares to believe more than the common mind believes. The moment you surrender your attitude to the grip of fear, doubt, or negativity, you chain yourself to mediocrity. Yet the moment you seize your mind and say, "I will, and I can," the gates of opportunity swing open. Do you not see? Every miracle of success, every fortune ever built, every empire ever raised, began with nothing more than a thought backed by PMA. Look back at every story we've discussed: Tom Dempsey, Henry J. Kaiser, the woodcutter who lost his treasure, the salesman who turned defeat into victory, and Henry Ford who commanded the impossible into existence. What separates them from the countless who remain unknown, who live and die in silence? One thing only: attitude. And yet here is the danger. Just as surely as PMA lifts men to greatness, NMA, the negative mental attitude, drags men into failure, despair, and wasted life. Look around you and you will see its victims. The man who says, "It cannot be done." The woman who murmurs, "I will try tomorrow." The dreamer who begins but never finishes. Each one carries within his pocket the same talisman you carry. But they show the wrong side. Instead of light, they show darkness. Instead of courage, they show fear. And so the world pays them with exactly what they ask for: failure. Now I will take you deeper. Because you must understand the hidden law at work. Whatever your mind clings to with passion, that it attracts. When you hold fear, fear multiplies. When you nurse doubt, doubt expands. But when you embrace faith, determination, and relentless action with PMA, the world rearranges itself to deliver what you demand. This is not superstition. This is the very fabric of cause and effect. And you, yes, you, are the master key holder. I ask you, what have you been attracting into your life? What thoughts dominate your mind from dawn to dusk? Do you dwell on scarcity, weakness, and excuses? Or do you dwell on possibilities, abundance, and victories not yet won? Because whatever you dwell upon, you will surely receive. The universe plays no favorites. It mirrors your attitude. Think of the soil of the earth. Plant poison and it grows poison. Plant corn and it yields food for millions. The soil does not care. It only returns what is planted. So it is with your mind. Plant defeat and you harvest failure. Plant PMA and you harvest riches, health, love, and fulfillment. The choice is yours and yours alone. So I tell you now, the first law of greatness is to guard your mind as a king guards his treasure. Let no thief of doubt or fear enter. Cast out the whispers of weakness and clothe yourself in the voice of victory. For the world belongs, not to those who wait, but to those who seize it with faith and determination. And as we move forward, you will see how this single truth, this PMA, becomes the foundation upon which every fortune, every achievement, and every dream is built. Prepare yourself, for we are about to uncover the deeper principles that separate the conquerors of life from the conquered. Greatness is never an accident. It is always the deliberate result of a mind trained to think in harmony with the laws of success. And chief among these laws is this: your thoughts become your reality. When you grasp this fully, you will understand why PMA is not a luxury, not a philosophy to admire from afar, but a weapon that can break chains, build empires, and reshape your destiny. Let us go further. Consider every man or woman you have ever admired, from inventors to leaders, from dreamers to builders. Strip away their circumstances, their education, their wealth or lack of it, and you will find one common denominator: an unwavering belief that they could, and therefore they did. They mastered the one territory that is given to all men in equal measure, the mind. And from this mastery came all else. You may ask, but how do I develop such a mind? How do I keep myself in PMA when the world around me screams defeat? The answer is discipline, repetition, and faith. The mind is like a field. Leave it alone, and weeds of doubt will grow without invitation. But cultivate it daily. Feed it with affirmations. Inspire it with success stories. Command it with goals. And soon it will yield a harvest that astonishes even you. Every morning, you have a choice. Will you rise with thoughts of fear, complaints, and resignation? Or will you rise with thoughts of gratitude, purpose, and victory? One leads to chains, the other to freedom. Choose carefully, for this choice, made day after day, shapes the very condition of your life. Understand this truth: the universe bends to the man who refuses to accept defeat. It conspires with the man who acts with faith. Henry Ford proved it. Tom Dempsey proved it with a crippled leg. Henry Kaiser proved it by building ships when others said it was impossible. And countless others, whose names history does not record, proved it in smaller but no less significant ways. You too can prove it. But you must decide. decide to align your mind with victory. Let me remind you of another law. Adversity is not your enemy. It is your ally. Every setback, every obstacle, every failure is not sent to destroy you, but to strengthen you. The weak man curses his misfortune and gives up. The strong man smiles at his hardship and says, "Here is my test, and I will pass it." Which man will you be? When the storms of life rage, and they will, PMA becomes your anchor. Without it, you are swept away into despair. With it, you stand firm, unshaken, and even the storm itself becomes fuel for your growth. History's giants are not men who avoided storms. They are men who walked through storms with heads held high. Now let us pierce to the core. If you forget all else I have said, remember this. Every man carries within him two talismans, one of gold, one of lead. PMA is the golden side, NMA the leaden side. With PMA, the impossible becomes routine. With NMA, the routine becomes impossible. Which side you show to the world is the single most important decision you will ever make. Imagine for a moment what your life could be if from this day forward you lived with PMA at every moment. No excuses, no fear, no surrender. Imagine the businesses you could build, the relationships you could heal, the dreams you could revive, the health you could restore, the influence you could command. Do not say, "It is too late." For the man who lives with PMA, it is never too late. The past is gone. The future is unwritten. And the present, this moment, is yours to shape. The greatest prison in the world is not made of stone, but of thought. Millions walk free yet live in chains because their own mind tells them they cannot. But you who hear my words, are not bound. The key rests in your hand. Turn it, open the door. Step into the life that PMA promises. Do you feel the power stirring within you? That is the awakening of your potential. That is the silent voice of greatness reminding you that you were born for more. Do not betray it. Do not silence it with excuses. Honor it with action. For let it be written upon your heart. Success is not reserved for the fortunate few. It is earned by all who think in faith, act with courage and persist without quitting. PMA is the master key. With it, all doors open. Without it, even the simplest door remains locked. So now I leave you with this challenge. Look at your life. Look at your dreams. Look at the person you wish to become. And then declare, "From this day forward, I choose positive mental attitude. I choose faith over fear, courage over doubt, action over hesitation. I choose to command my mind, and through my mind, I will command my destiny." Say it, believe it, act upon it, and watch as the world bends in your favor. This is the truth, my friend. This is the law. PMA is the light. NMA is the darkness. One lifts you to greatness. The other drags you to despair. Which will you choose? Choose wisely, for your life, your fortune, and your legacy depend on it.